The risk of developing type 2 diabetes can be reduced in a number of ways, and while there is presently no treatment for diabetes, these precautions should be taken nonetheless. There is a high genetic component, although the risk can be reduced through preventative measures like maintaining a healthy weight and engaging in regular physical activity. What, therefore, is the nature of a diabetes preventative diet? 1. Nuts. Eating a diet high in refined carbs increases the chance of developing diabetes because it causes blood sugar levels to fluctuate more frequently. Snack on some almonds or another high-protein, high-fat food to keep from binging on carbohydrates in the afternoon. Nuts, which are rich in polyunsaturated fats, may help keep type 2 diabetes at bay. 2. Oats. 1 cup of oats has 4 grams of fiber, which is enough to keep you satisfied until midday and may prevent you from reaching for morning snacks. The risk of acquiring type 2 diabetes is reduced by 18% in people with the highest fiber intake, more than 26 grams per day, according to recent studies, less than 19 grams daily. A diet high in fiber has been linked to a reduced risk of developing diabetes and more stable blood sugar levels. 3. Fruits. In addition to providing essential nutrients, fruit also plays an important role in warding off type 2 diabetes. Consuming high-fiber foods, such as apples, with the peel, berries, and citrus, can lower the chance of developing diabetes. 4. Vegetables. Not only are cruciferous veggies high in fiber, but they also contain sulforaphane, an anti-inflammatory chemical that has been shown to help prevent damage to blood vessels caused by diabetes and help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Spinach's high magnesium content makes it a useful tool for the body to use in conjunction with insulin in controlling blood sugar levels. 5. Legume. The risk of acquiring type 2 diabetes can be lowered by eating chickpeas, lentils, and other members of the legume family. The high protein content of these foods will keep you feeling full longer and will decrease your cravings for junk food, both of which have been related to an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes.